Model 1890U drive blade replacement. Unlatch and remove the nose cover. Remove safety lever by lifting up on the spring-loaded linkage. Using a 4mm Allen wrench, remove the 4 cap screws and set the cap aside. Remove the old dry blade assembly. Apply white lithium grease around the O-ring and the new dry blade assembly. Insert the new dry blade assembly into the cylinder sleeve. Turn nailer around and push the dry blade assembly through the joint guide slot. Align cap gasket and cap using the 4mm Allen wrench. Install the 4 cap screws. Turn nailer over and install the safety lever by lifting up on the spring-loaded linkage. Install nose cover and relatch.